Let's consider the following problem. A spherical shell with surface charge, total charge Q, radius R, and we are to find the potential inside the shell and also outside the shell. And finally sketch the electric potential. And here's the general rule connecting electric potential to electric field. Note that this looks very much like the definition of work. If you multiply with charge Q here, you have force. So then this is the work integral. And if you multiply with the charge here, then you get potential energy. So it's exactly the same formula. So if you know that, you by heart already know how we relate potential to electric field. And from Gauss' law, we already know from before that the electric field equals 0 inside the charged shell. So then this integral equals 0, and this potential equals that potential, right? And here is for any radius R1 and R2. So they are equal everywhere. So it must be a constant. And outside the spherical shell, this shell behaves like there is a point charge in the center. So it's the ordinary electric field like this. And then the problem text says that we can use infinity as a reference point. So then the difference in potential is VR minus infinity. And then we say that constant is 0. So we have VR equal this integral. First point R, second point infinity. But that is 0. And here, that's the electric field dot product with dr. But the unit vector dotted with dr is just dr without the vector. So it's just this expression. And this is a constant. We can break that out from the integral. And then you have 1 over r squared. The primitive function is negative 1 over r. And then the limits. So you put in infinity here, that's 0. And then minus, and then you put in r. So that's plus 1 over r. So you get this. This is the potential energy. I mean the electric potential. And now when we're going to sketch it, if we look here, here is the potential energy. It's valid for up to outside the shell. So R equal capital R here. And inside, it's a constant. So between that and that, we match those two functions. So VR is put in that here, and that should be the constant here. So this is what we do. Here is the constant potential, and just outside the shell, it starts declining, like a 1 over r function. So that is the solution. Hope that was enjoyable for you. Bye-bye.